Welcome to NetStretch web design using Joomla content management system, and this is a little training video on how to prepare your content and update your website. Where to put your content. If you use social media, always update your website's blog first, then share with social media such as Facebook. This drives traffic to your website where the important business is done. With NetStretch CMS websites, this is very easy to do, as you'll see from the screenshot. At the end of each article on your website, we can insert fast social sharing links for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. To share it on your own Facebook page, you simply click the share button and your article is automatically transferred to your Facebook page. You can then use the full power of social media marketing. Talk to us if you need more help with this. Preparing your content. Updating or adding to your website is very easy if you know what you want to say and have prepared any relevant images and documents. Generally, if you're using documents, they should be in PDF format as it is universally available. Some documents, such as Microsoft Word, may not be readable by everyone, so we suggest that you convert them to PDF first. Thankfully, Microsoft Word has a facility built in to allow you to do this. Images and photos taken by modern phones and cameras are of very high quality and unfortunately file size. While they can still be used, it can give your site visitors a bad experience with loading times and data usage. Therefore, we highly recommend that you adjust the sizes of your photographs before using them on your site. The easiest way that we have found to do this is by using a free Google program called Picasa. A typical phone or camera image may be 5,000 pixels wide. The maximum you will need for your website is 1,200 pixels wide. We will show you how to do this later with Picasa and where to get it. Here we go then. For example purposes, we will be using an existing NetStretch website. In this case, it will be County Armagh Golf Club. We appreciate that while it may be simple for us, most people require a period of trial and learning, and we suggest that you make the most of trying the site content system and making mistakes, and you can always unpublish that particular article. Although easy to do, we recommend that people try and update their websites at least once a week. This has a number of benefits. 1, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. 2, your website visitors will appreciate up-to-date content. 3, Google will rank you higher in search results. And 4, you will get more business. Right, the first thing we need to do is to get Picasa. So go to a Google search box and simply type in Picasa, P-I-C-A-S-A, download. Once the results are returned, make sure that the link you're going to click is from Google themselves and click Picasa. Once on the Picasa download page, select the version that you want. In this case, it's for Windows, and click the button to download. The setup file will then be saved to your computer. Once the file has downloaded, locate the setup file and double click to launch the installation process. Then follow the Picasa setup procedures and install Picasa on your computer. It will automatically scan your computer for images while it's installing. Once installed, just open up the Picasa program and look for the image that you want to include in your website page. The one we're going to use today is one of ladies on a golf course. You will notice that the image size is very large. To edit the image, you simply double click it. You will now see the editing options. On the left, you can select various options. In this case, it's crop, and you can select the part of the image that you want to use on your website. Once you're happy with that, you can apply the crop. This will then bring you back to the editing options. You will notice that you can adjust brightness, you can remove red eye, various things. One button is for I'm feeling lucky, and it usually corrects everything for you, so you don't need to do anything else. Once you've got the image the way you want it, have a look at the file size. You will notice that it's still larger than the 1200 pixels that you need for a website. So to adjust the size, we click on the export button. Picasa will show you the export location. Remember this so that you can find your file later on to put onto your website. Once set in Picasa, that doesn't change. The name of the exported folder is generally the name of whatever folder the photograph was originally in, but you can change that to anything you want that's more memorable. For instance, just using the date, today's date, or whatever day you're operating from. Now you'll notice that Picasa allows you to resize the image. So all we do is resize it to 1200 pixels, which is all we need. The image quality, the maximum that the website needs is 75, so you can reduce that if you want. It doesn't make a lot of difference. You'll always notice that if you want to add a watermark, you can tick that box and you can put in there whatever you want. Could be copyright, County Armagh Golf Club, or whatever. Once you've got your settings organized and you know where the file is going to be stored, you simply export the image. Once exported, Picasa will show which folder it has gone into. So again, just remember that. Now it's time to go back to your website and create your new article. So go to your website browser. The easiest way to do this is just go to your own website. In this case, it's County Armagh Golf Club. And to get into the admin area of your website, in the address bar of your browser, simply click at the end of your domain name and type /administrator. Once done, hit the return button on your keyboard and you will be brought to the login area. Put in the username and password that was specified to you by NetStretch and log in. You will notice various bits of information from the Joomla content management system. It will show you the most popular articles, it will show you the last articles that were added. It may look complicated, but the only thing that you need to worry about is on the left hand side. You will see at the very top content, new article, and articles. They're the two main things that you need to worry about. On the right hand side of the screen at the top, you will see the name of the website, in this case County Armagh Golf Club. Just click on that and it will open up your website page in a new tab. This is very easy for checking purposes. So go back to your editor or to your admin panel, click on new article, and then simply insert a title for your article. If you have used any desktop publisher like Word or whatever, you'll find this easy. So once you've got your article title in, click within the main box for your content. Type in whatever you want to say. Or paste it in if you've previously prepared it. At the end of the sentence, hit your return button to move your cursor down one line. Then look for your image button so we can put an image in to go with this. You'll find this in your list of icons. So click on image, select the current folder that you're using on your website for your images, in this case 2016, and if you scroll to the very bottom of the page, you will see that you can upload files to that folder. So in this case, we're going to choose the file that we want. You will notice that the new file that you've just created is in the folder that Picasa exported to. So select the file, click open, then click start upload. Now you simply look for the image that you've just uploaded, and there it is. So select the image and click insert. This puts the image onto your page. The next thing we need to do is select a category for your article. In most cases, with most websites, it's simply going to be the category is going to be news and blog. The golf club have multiple categories to suit all the different results and things, so they're going to select women's news and results. You will notice a featured button. If you feature this article, it will go onto the front page of your website. So this is maybe some important offers or important news that you want to get across to your customers and to your viewers. If you just wanted to go into the normal blog section, then you don't need to worry about this. Just defaults to no. Once you've done that, simply click save and close. Next, you can go into your website and then into Facebook. This is going to show you how to get the information that you've just placed on your website straight into Facebook without having to rewrite it or copy it and paste it or do anything like that. So make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account and you're at the page that you manage within your Facebook account. This will be your business page. In this case, it's County Armagh Golf Club. Go back to your main website and pick an article or a piece of information that you want to go onto your Facebook page. In this case, we'll get some news. We'll go to the ladies section and we'll have a look to see an article that we want to share on Facebook. We'll select one called Both Teams Are Ulster Champions. So to select the full article, simply click on the title. Once the article opens, you can scroll down, and if you notice at the bottom of the web page, you will see the fast social sharing links. Simply click on the Facebook share button. A dialog box will open up and you will see that at the very top it says share on your own timeline. That would share it to your personal Facebook account. Most people will want to share it to their business account. So select the drop down box there and select share on a page you manage. Once that's selected, you will see your business page coming up. If that's selected, simply click post to Facebook. Then, to make sure it's worked okay, go back into your Facebook page, It's not there at the moment, and refresh the page. Once refreshed, you'll see that the article you've just shared is now top of your Facebook page. The beauty of this is that when visitors click on the link, it drives them back to your main website where the important business is done. So if you get stuck, we want you to make full use of the website. So if you get stuck on something or don't understand one or any of the processes, don't just leave it. Call us or email to ask us anything. Remember, if you aren't inclined to look after updating your website, you can get NetStretch to do it all for you. Contact us for any details on how our content maintenance packages work. We hope you have found this little tutorial useful. We also hope to improve this one and make some others available. Thank you for watching.